Looking at the season that we are right now, you can see that a lot of things are going on online. People are making a lot of money online every day. You can see a lot of adverts coming up right there on your face, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. Everywhere you turn, there's an advert of someone trying to sell something to you. Why do you think this is so? It is because people have realized that this season is the point where a lot of purchase happens online, massive daily sales. You see the discount sales, you see the Black Friday sales, you see the Black Saturday sales. Every day, different kind of offer are popping up right in your face. People are making money every day by simply selling stuff online. And in this video, I'm going to show you e-commerce products that can give you millions of money this season if you simply know how to sell these products. Okay? I'm going to explain how you can sell them also. I'm going to give you an idea on how to go about selling these products. And of course, when you sell them, you make money. All right. So this is the season where we experience massive online sales every day. Every day, people buy products from fashion, kitchen utensils, household items, name them, electronics, gadgets, automobile gadgets, as many things you can think of as possible. Security, people buy a lot of things every day online this season. All right. So in this video, we are going to be looking into some of the product categories that can get you millions of money if you're in Nigeria or in any African country. Hi, my name is Courage, and you're welcome to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have not done so already. Just like the video so that more people get to see the video. If you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this, more content about making money online, about marketing, about Facebook ads, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos. Now, guys, without wasting time, let's get started. Let me show you some of these products. And these are products that you already know, but you are not taking action, and that is why you're not getting results yet. Let's go. So, yeah, the first product is sales of children fashion wares. Now, there's a way that you are going to approach your own. You're not going to sell yours the way every other person is selling. Okay? The best way to sell this children fashion wear is to use a strategy that we call the combo offer. The combo offer. All right? Parents are busy. You know, when back in those days when we were young, when we were little, our parents, our mothers especially, they used to take us to the markets to go and buy these items, to go and buy clothes for Christmas, for the season. You know, we buy clothes, we buy shoes, we buy eyeglass, we buy wristwatch. Do you understand? For you and your siblings, you buy a lot of all those things. My mom especially used to take me to main market on Nisha. Back in the days, I'm talking of the early 90s, to go and buy this stuff. And it was fun, right? Early 90s, also mid 90s and late 90s. Yeah, kind of. But now nobody has, a lot of people do not have that time to even visit the market. People want things to be convenient for them. All you need to do is to go into the markets. If you're in the east, you can go to Onitsha main market or to Aba market or to Port Harcourt, or if you're in Lagos, there's Mandilas here. There's Mandilas here on Lagos Island, right? Go there, go to the section where they sell children items, children fashion accessories, children fashion items, clothes, shoes for children. Create a deal or strike a bargain with the sellers, right? Take pictures, take videos. Do not be scared. These people want to sell and they are going to oblige you. They would gladly welcome you. I'm not telling you from hearsay. I have been there. Personally, I have been there. I am with these people. I am in the market. I mean, I have a business in the market. So I'm always at the market. So I know what goes on and what goes around. All right. So once you get to these fashion items, look for nice, attractive children wears, clothes, tops, up and down, right? The one we call up and down in Nigeria, like the matching outfits. Look for jean, nice t-shirts, nice shoes. Some of these shoes that also make sound when they step, when they walk. Some that also give out light. Do you understand? These things that are attractive. Get them. Take pictures. You can buy a full set. Buy a full set so that you can use a child in your compound or your home, a child in your family to do the baby model. Because you're going to create videos. This is work. This is where the work comes in. You make videos. This video is what you are going to use to run adverts. And you don't have to wait until it's approaching Christmas. You start now. You give them the clothes, the shoe, the trousers or the jean and the shirt. Give them the price, okay? And you let them know that whoever is buying this one is getting this wristwatch and this eyeglass for free, and this eyeglass for free for children. So it makes buying decision easier for parents. You offer them the jean, the shoes, the shirt, the top, one set, because they usually buy different sets because they have more than, sometimes they can buy one set for Christmas, the other set for New Year. You know these things. They have more than one. If it's a family that has more than one kid or more than two kids, you're going to sell more. So imagine that you're giving them the shoes, the jean, and the shirts as an offer. Say, for instance, you're giving them for 10,000 naira. Maybe you bought everything for 5,000 or for 4,000 or for 6,000. You're giving them for 10,000 naira. And then the watch and the eyeglass, it's usually very cheap. You offer it as, when they buy these ones, they get it for free. Do you know how many parents are going to flood you with? And the best way to sell this thing is to sell via WhatsApp, because they will need to communicate with you, they will need to discuss with you, they will need to see more pictures of what you have. That's why I said that you need to go to the suppliers, you need to go into the market and get pictures, make videos. All right, you pose as if it is your business, because it is your business. You present these pictures, you bring them to WhatsApp, because they are going to continue buying from you. Come on, listen to me. I'm giving you ideas of what you are going to do to make money. Do you know how many parents are busy? They are looking out for where to buy or what to buy. They're even confused on what to buy. And now you are bringing it to them. This is what to buy for your kids. You're giving them the ideas, the clothes, different designs that they can select from. And whichever one they select, it doesn't matter. They're going to get the sunshade, the eyeglass, and the wristwatch or the bangle for free for their kids. They are going to be happy. The same thing for children, female wears. The parents are going to be happy. You have taken away a lot of stress for them. You are also making them an offer that when they buy this one, they're getting the eyeglass and the wristwatch for free. They are going to buy from you. So I'm not going to dwell much on this. At least you have an idea of what I'm talking about. That's why you need to go into the market yourself, or find someone to go into the market. You need pictures, different designs, different shoes, different things, so that when they contact you on WhatsApp and they request to make a selection, you send pictures to them. They can select varieties. In this very case, they pay you before you deliver. I'm telling you, for these baby items, the parents, they usually pay before you deliver. And no matter where they are, in this one, you can target the whole Nigeria, because you are going to be using GIG logistics for your delivery. It makes it easier. All right? If you have any question on this one, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Let's go to the next one, please. Now, the next one is men's casual shoes. Men's casual shoes. And you can also use a combo offer to sell this one, right? The combo offer could be, you buy the shoe, you get the double-faced belt, the one that's those kind of belt that you pull. I think I have two of them. Those kind of belt that you pull and you rotate. It will continue serving. You pull, you rotate. It's double-faced. It does not have front or back. Any side can be the belt. There are some that the front is a black belt, the back is a brown belt. All right, all those kind of double-faced belt. That's what most guys use now. Nobody has time to buy the 5 different kind of belts, right? So you can just buy 2 belts. One has black and brown. The other one might have white and blue or whatever. Do you understand? Because I know I have 2 here. So all those double-faced belts that you just pull and rotate, you can use it as a combo offer. You can, if you buy the shoe, they buy the shoe, they get double-faced belts, they get cufflinks, they get bangles. You decide on what your combo offer would be. But you have to be making an offer, because the best way to cash out, I'm talking of making a lot of money this season, is to sell with an offer, a combo deal, a combo offer. You are getting this for free when you buy this. People will jump on it. People will jump on it. Casual shoes, not all those kind of shoes that they're using to wear suits. No, casual shoes. I think I bought 2. That was last week for 30k. That's about, I bought two for 60k. 30,000 naira, that's 60k. That's, I bought two casual shoes. And I know that if I went into the market, it is not going to be as high as that. It might not be. All right. But I decided to buy from the person I bought from. But that's that. It did not even give me an offer. I just bought just the shoes because I loved those shoes. Now, if you go to Mandelas in Lagos Island here, if you go to Mandelas, you're going to see nice, good-looking, durable, nice leather, casual shoes that are very affordable. You can see some for 15,000 naira, some for 10,000, 12,000. Guess how much they sell these things on Instagram? They sell them for 25,000 and above. All right? People love casual shoes these days because it fits both the suit, it fits your traditional wears, it fits native, it fits senator wears. You can wear it on anything. So imagine you are buying a casual shoe for 30k, and then somebody is offering you the double-faced belt, or someone is offering you a cufflinks and bangle, or someone is giving you all the offers together. Now you come on Instagram or you come on Facebook, you see someone selling a casual shoe, and he's telling you that he has just 10 pieces left, 10 pairs of shoes left, and each pair of shoe you buy, you will get a double-faced belt, you will get a bangle, and you will get cufflinks free. Before the day runs out, people are going to buy everything off because the offer is too hot. They don't want to miss out on that offer. It saves them a lot of cost. Go into the market. Stop asking where is this, what. Go into the market. It doesn't matter where you are. In every state across Nigeria, in Africa too, there's always a market where things are being sold. Go there, look for suppliers. Go to the big market in your state. Look for suppliers. Take pictures. Make videos. Look for something durable, not something people will wear today and it will spoil. No. Get something durable, something that will last. Put your own price, mark up your own price. Give them an offer. You should be making at least 5k profit on each of these products. If you are going to make money, I'm telling you, you should be making at least 5k profit. That is for beginners. For people that have mind to put money to make profit. If they give a product, if they bring a product here between you and I, you can be selling your product with 5k profit. I'll be selling with 10k profit, and I will still sell more volumes than you because I'm not scared of naming the price. Let those who can afford it buy it. But the most important thing is selling with an offer so that it makes it easier to convince people to buy because the offer is there. They would love to buy because of the offer. So yes, go into the market. Look for these casual men's shoes. Nice one with nice designs. Some that has coral, some that has glitters, different kind of designs. Just look for the ones that you know that are matured, that people would appreciate. If you're a man, you should know what you would love as a man. If you're a woman, you should also know what you would love to see men wear. So everyone is a 50-50 stuff, right? So go into the market and find these products. Let's move to the next one. Beauty products for women. This one is the headquarter of all the money. All right. Again, combo offer because women love to buy more. When you offer them more for less, when they think they're ripping you off, they will buy more. It's normal human psychology, it's normal human emotion, it's normal human behavior. But women love to buy more when you offer them more for less. Now, when it comes to beauty products, women do not stop buying. All right. Once they buy, they continue buying. This season, people want to look good because of the travels that are going to be happening, because of the festivities, the events they will attend, a lot of things going on, activities going on here and there. People want to look good. People want to look cool. People want to look attractive. Women, especially this season. So, selling beauty kits, beauty products, beauty accessories, jewelry accessories, anything within the beauty niche is going to sell for women. And always make sure that you are using a combo offer. Buy this, and get this, that for free. And make sure that when you're using a combo offer, put a limited time there so that people don't abuse it. Put a limited time. Once they know that this thing is limited, they would not want to miss out on the offer. It will make them to buy more. Every day, you should be selling more than 5. You should be cashing out more than 5. That is, if you are making, like, say, let's say for instance, I'm making 7K on each offer. So 7K times 5, that's what I'm talking about. That's about 35K profit every day if you know what you are doing. I'm saying at least. I'm saying this because I make way more than this every day. I make way more than this every day. So for someone who is starting, you can just start from somewhere. I'm sharing this with you because this is what is possible. I won't dwell much on this, but I'm telling you that women's products, beauty products, anything that's going to make women maintain beauty, they want to maintain beauty. They want to maintain beauty. Yes, they want to maintain beauty. They want to keep looking good, keep looking attractive, especially in this season with much activities and much outing. Man, go out there, find these products, pack them, pack the combo offer, sell, sell, sell. You're going to make money. As far as you're offering value, you're going to get money in return. Let's go to the next one. Kitchen gadgets. We all know. You will make a lot of money this season if you can sell, or if you can find a product that will help women, or that will help people, chefs, anyone, make cooking or meal preparation easier and more convenient. As far as it's going to make life easier for them, people want to pay for things that will take away stress from them, that will take away too much labor, too much hard labor. If you find any products that will make cooking more convenient and less stressful, if it's going to make cooking easier for them, if it's going to make meal preparation easier for chefs, for mothers, for husbands, for brothers, for sisters, they are going to buy these products. They're going to buy from you. You just need to research, go deep, research, look for products. Think of it. What can make meal preparation easier? If people want to prepare, for instance, during the Christmas season, people are going to come together as family. Maybe they want to make barbecue, they want to make this and that. Would they have to start looking for where to go and buy barbecue? Why not sell them those mini grills? Those mini grills that are in carton that you just bring out and set in your house and you start grilling. They are going to buy. I'm giving you ideas. Kitchen gadgets, kitchen things, meal preparation stuff. Anything that will make life easier, people will pay to have it. Go and look for these things. Sell it, sell it, sell it. It is valuable. You're offering value. As far as you're offering value, people are going to give you money in return. Next one. See, if you can find stuff that's going to help people pimp their car this season, pimp their ride, car gadgets, car lights, internal pimping, internal lightning, anything that is going to make the car look attractive, look appealing and luxurious. If you can find any of these products, you are going to be swimming in money. All you need to do is find these products, set up Facebook adverts. Right now, Facebook ad is giving people headache. Facebook is flogging people and restricting accounts left and right. It happens to everyone, but you don't have to give up. You have to keep trying. You have to keep trying. Get another account, add accounts, get different accounts. Just keep trying, keep pushing. If you can find any of these products and sell, I assure you, I'm telling you from experience, you're going to make money doing it. All right? Do not be discouraged if Facebook is giving you a tough time. It happens to everyone. We still keep pushing. All right? Find someone to help you out. Not me. I am busy with a lot of things. I cannot even begin to attend to everyone. But if you have any question that you'd like to ask me, I am in the comment sections to answer you. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget that. All right. And I think that's it. We are come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please drop a question you have in the comment sections. If you have any other contribution, if you have comments, drop them here. I'm here to attend to you. I'm here to answer and to guide you to the best of my knowledge. Please share this video with as many you know would find it helpful. Thank you again for watching. Watch this video again to understand how to sell these products. And make sure that once you start selling, you don't stop selling. The best way to make money is to offer value. When you offer value, people will give you money in return. All right? Money exchanges hands when value is involved. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.